Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the prokaryotes and eukaryotes, or the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Depending on the structural and functional characteristics of all the living beings, they are divided or classified into two principal groups. जो भी जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगे या फिर जो भी सेल का स्ट्रक्चर होगा और उस सेल के फंक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग सभी लिविंग बीइंग्स आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू ग्रुप्स. One is prokaryotes, which consist of prokaryotic cell, and second group is of eukaryotes, which consist of eukaryotic cells. Now, what is prokaryotic cell? What is eukaryotic cell? What are the similarities and differences between both the cells? That we will see one by one. Now, what is first we will see the definition of both the cell. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is any unicellular organism that does not contain clearly defined nucleus and membrane bound organelles. It means these prokaryotic cell is primitive cell which is an unicellular organism, means single celled organism which does not contain any type of cell organelles, means it does not contain mitochondria, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, or nucleus is also not membrane bound. Then this is the definition of prokaryotic cell. Then eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is any type of cell that contains a clearly defined nucleus and membrane bound organelles, means the cell which has properly developed nucleus as well as different types of cell organelles are called as eukaryotic cell. Then second point is cell size. The cell size of prokaryotic cell is 0.2 to 2 micrometer. It varies depending on the species, different types of species. The size range may vary from 0.2 micrometer to 2 micrometer. On the other hand, in eukaryotic cell, the size of cell varies from 10 to 100 micrometer, means as compared to prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell is large in size. Then third characteristic is presence of nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, as we have seen in definition, nucleus is absent, but in eukaryotic cell nucleus is present. Then nucleolus in prokaryotic cell is absent, but in eukaryotic cell it is present. Then how does DNA replication takes place in both the cell? Generally, in prokaryotic cell, the replication process is carried out on the whole genome at a single time, or at once the whole replication process is carried out. But in eukaryotic cell, it is highly regulated with the selective origin and sequences, means depending on the species or depending on the type of replication, the origin site and the sequences are highly regulated in eukaryotic cell. Then organism type. As we have seen that prokaryotic cell is single celled organism, means the cell organization or organism type of prokaryotic cell is unicellular. But in like bacteria, but in eukaryotic cell, thus in eukaryotes or eukaryotic organisms, cells are multicellular. They are multicellular organisms, means number of cells may be present inside the body of particular organism. For example, different types of plants are there, different types of animals are there, which are included in eukaryotes. Next characteristics is present of histones. Now histone proteins are generally not produced inside the prokaryotic cell, but they are present in eukaryotic cell. Then different types of cell organelles. Cell organelles, as a prokaryotic cell is unicellular, prokaryotic cell is present in unicellular organisms, and they lack the membrane bound organelles, means the different types of organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. On the other hand, in eukaryotic cell, different types of cell organelles are present. For example, nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, etc. These are the different types of cell organelles which are present in eukaryotic cell. Then the major difference in prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell is the presence of ribosome. In prokaryotic cell, 70S type of ribosome is present, which is a smaller ribosome, and in eukaryotic cell, large ribosome is present, which is 80S type of ribosome. Now growth rate or generation time. As compared to eukaryotic cell, in prokaryotic cell the growth rate is faster, means in less time they can multiply easily and large number of organisms can be developed. On the if we consider about eukaryotic cell, the growth rate of eukaryotic cell is slower than prokaryotic cell. Then next characteristics is cell wall. Now the cell wall present in prokaryotic cell is in the complex form, and in all the types of prokaryotic cell wall is present. In eukaryotic cell, the cell wall is in simple form, but in all type of cells the cell wall is not present. Means, for example, if we consider of plant cell, it is made up of cellulose. If we consider of fungi cell, it is made up of chitin, but in animal cell the cell wall is absent. Then next characteristics is ability to store hereditary information. Now both the type of cell, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, have the ability to store the hereditary information which is carried from ancestors to new generation. Then presence of flagella. Generally in all the types of prokaryotic cell, flagella is present, and it is made up of two types of proteins. On the other hand, in eukaryotic cell, some cells which lack proper cell wall or some of the properties, they consist some different in some species of eukaryotes consist of flagella which is made up of multiple microtubules. कुछ ऐसे in not every cell, but in some species of eukaryotes flagella may be present, which is made up of multiple microtubules. Then metabolism process in these both the cell. The metabolism process in prokaryotic cell may be carried out by anaerobic method, means in the absence of oxygen, or in aerobic method in the presence of oxygen. Similar like prokaryotic cell, in eukaryotic cell also it may be anaerobic or aerobic. Then different examples of these cells. Prokaryotic cells are generally present in bacteria and other small microorganisms, and eukaryotic cell is present in fungi, plants and animals of different species. This is a simple diagram. which shows prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cell and their different organelles. Thank you.